Meaning of floury.
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 Floury. The term floury describes the texture or quality of food, typically referring to vegetables such as potatoes. When cooked, a floury potato will have a soft and fluffy interior that easily breaks down and crumbles. The flesh of the potato will be dry and absorbent, with a tendency to disintegrate, making it ideal for mashing or baking. Floury potatoes are often preferred for making dishes such as baked potatoes or mashed potatoes, where a light, airy texture is desired. Overall, the term floury denotes a certain desirable quality in potatoes for specific cooking purposes.